Hi, I'm Glenn Walton, owner of Brisbane Tree Experts, and today we're here at St John's Cathedral in Brisbane City. We have a large hill section behind on the Adelaide Street side, and on that hill we have large cactus and large trees that are actually encroaching over the road, and a lot of dead timber. The dead spires are falling onto the busways and onto the pedestrians. So it's our aim today to clean this whole hill up to make sure that it's safe for the commuters going to and from work. Brisbane city work is difficult in itself. One of the things that we don't want to do is have any accidents. We have a high level of safety equipment here today to make sure it goes smoothly. We have a 28-metre tower to access the main height, and then we have a guy on his lowering line so that he can abseil around the hill. We have the bus lane underneath, and we have a lot of pedestrians down there as well. So we have traffic control. Because of the roadway and because of the terrain, this job's taken at least a couple of months to organise with the council and the permits and the police. So it's quite a technical job, and it will take at least a couple of days to complete. For the Cathedral to invite us in to do this job's quite a special thing. Brisbane Tree Experts support a lot of big clients around Brisbane. We do work at South Bank, we do work for the Brisbane City Council. It's really important for us as a company. Today was a great outcome. All the guys went home safe. The job got done really, really well. If you're interested in Brisbane Tree Experts helping you with your technical tree removals or your large jobs that need a lot of attention and detail, then you need to give us a call.